everyone, this is MJ. I'm so excited you've joined me for my countdown to Christmas featuring MJ's Merry Minis. I've designed 25 Christmas ornaments and each one will release from December 1st through to December 25th, and you'll be able to find the pattern for free on my blog on the ornaments release day. Now I'm hosting a crochet along over in my Facebook community group, and the link will be in the description box if you want to join in and post your pictures. If you'd rather not wait for all 25 ornaments to release, I've decided to put together a beautifully designed ebook featuring all 25 crochet ornaments. You can purchase the ebook through the link in my description box. Hey, this is MJ, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make our little plaid gift card cozy that can hang on your Christmas tree or add to a present as a present topper. So what you're going to need is some worsted weight yarn, and I'm using wool of the Andes worsted in gray, black, and white. You'll also need some string for hanging, a wooden bead, and I'm using a G 4mm crochet hook. This is a Furls streamline hook, and you can find all the links for these in the description box. So we'll be getting this pattern from the top down, so we'll be working the little ribbed band first. So let's begin with a slip knot and put that on our hook, and we'll chain 5. Then we'll single crochet in the second chain from the hook and each chain across, so we have a total of 4 stitches. Chain 1 and turn, and then we'll work in the back loop of every stitch across. Chain 1 and turn. And we're just going to continue this for every row, working in the back loop of every stitch across. So I want you to work up a total of 24 rows. Okay, so I've worked 24 rows. You can count the ridges across, see that you have 24 and you're ending on the right side. So what we'll do is chain 1. So just fold the band together, right sides facing. We're going to go through the back loop, first stitch, go through the back loop and the next, and just slip stitch that across 4 stitches. Chain 1 and put the seam to the inside. And now we're just going to work around the edge, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet stitch per row. So for a total of 24 stitches, we'll work around the band. Okay, so I've worked all the way around. We're going to slip stitch to join, and on the slip stitch we'll change to the black because we'll do black and white. You can see here we'll do black and white alternating for the first and second round. So we'll pull through with the black, chain 2, pull your tails, and now we'll work half double crochets in to the next 3. Okay, so let's not yarn over now with the black, as when we change color, we're going to yarn over with the new color. So we're going to bring in our white, pull that through, and then work 3 in the white, and I'm just floating the colors in behind, just dropping and picking them up. So you don't even need to worry. You can crochet over them if you want, but it's not necessary. So then we do 3 in black, 3 in white, and now I've already filmed a tutorial on the plaid pattern. So I'm going to pop that up rather than working through that all again. So it will be for one of the hats. We're working it all in half double crochets. Okay, so it's just going to be a matter of how many rows. So I'm going to pop up the tutorial to show you, but we're basically doing 2, 4, 6, 8 rows in total. So we do 2 of each color. Okay, alternating black, white, and then we alternate gray, black, and so on. So you should be ending with white, and we're going to change back to black and do another round exactly the same. So slip stitch in the top of the first half double crochet to join, chain 2, and then we'll work 3 in black, 1, okay, and then switch to white, and we'll do 3 in white. And just repeat that all the way around, and we'll switch up the color pattern on the next round. Okay, so now what we're going to do is change to gray on the slip stitch. Drop off the white, pull up the gray. I'm not cutting any yarn, I'm just floating it all in behind and just picking it up. So we'll chain 2. And now the black, it's going to be a long pull, so if you want to pull it here and crochet over it, it'll just get it ready for the next spot. So there's 1, 2, 3, and then drop off the gray, pull through the black, and then we'll do 3 black, and then we'll do 3 gray. So we're just repeating this all the way around now. And you can go ahead and do another round just like this, because we'll have 2 rounds where we do the gray, black, gray, black. Okay, so I've worked around and we're going back to black, white, black, white. So let's just pull through. We'll slip stitch to join, chain 2. So once you have your first 4 rounds of your color pattern, we're just repeating it now, rounds 1 through 4, so that we just have 8 rounds in total. Okay, so I'm just finishing my 8th round, and I'm going to change back to gray to finish it off. So we'll slip stitch to join, chain 1, and now you want to fold. Well, let's cut the black. So you have to weave in those ends. Okay, so then what I did is just crocheted across the top here. So you could flip it inside out and seam it if you want, but I am just gonna crochet across. So I'm going to go in the back loop and then the first loop on this side. And I'm just going to single crochet across. So you'll end up with 12 going across, which is half of 24. Okay, so I'm just going to do that all the way across. Okay, so we can just fasten off and get all the tails, weave in all of those tails. You just want to pop your cozy inside out so you can get all those tails on the inside. Weave back in the opposite direction. And now to finish it off, you can add a tassel and a bead. Okay, to make a tassel for our gift card cozies, we're going to measure it at about 6 inches, and then we want 10 pieces. And then we're just going to cut. You can take some string and just tie it in the center. Give it a knot. Just cut another strand for making our tassel ball. You can do this in any color you want. The strand that's popping up, I like to just take my yarn needle and weave it down through. You could even wrap the yarn around the center if you want. I'm not going to worry with these ones. And then you just want to trim all of those tails. Get all the loops cut. Then I'm just going to take my yarn needle, and now this tassel is good for any of our designs. I like to just kind of go into a ridge here, just so it kind of hangs nice in the front. Then you can give it a knot. And next we'll just string on a bead. So put the string onto your yarn needle and then just put a bead on, and really any size you want is fine. And then you can just knot for hanging. And then just give that a trim. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell to stay updated on new videos and tutorials. Thanks so much, guys. Have an awesome day.